Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're great. So in this video, I want to show you how to keep data when changing maps. So as you can see in the bottom left, I have coins. Let's increase this a little bit. So if we change the map, as you can see, we still have 9 coins. So basically, this data is being saved so we can read back when we change the level. So this is basically what I'm gonna show you today. But before, if you do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't lose any new video. So let's start. But first, let me show you the problem. So if we hit play, as you can see in the bottom left corner, we have coins. It's 0 now. So imagine that we are in a main map and now we want to go to a minigame map. So let's do this. And as you can see, we are in a minigame map. Imagine that this is a minigame map. So here we got 10 coins. So let's increase the coins here to 10 like this. And now we want to go back to the main map. If we do this, as you can see, now we have 0 coins. And this is happening because when we open a new level, we are basically destroying everything that we had in the previously map. So basically we need to save the data before opening a new map. And this is what I'm gonna show you today. So let's do this. As I mentioned before, when you open a new level, everything that we had in the previously level is destroyed, and that includes, of course, these base classes, the default pawn class, the HUD class, player controller, the game mode, everything. So we can't save the data on these classes, but for that we have the game instance. So basically, when you open a game instance is created, and this game instance will exist until you quit the game. So you can change levels and the same game instance will exist, so we can save the data on the game instance. So let's do this. To use the game instance, of course, first we need to create one. So just go to the content browser and right click, go to blueprint class, and here in all classes just search for game instance. And we have this class here, game instance. Just select this and create. I will name this my game instance, like this. So let's open this and let's do something with this. And as you can see, the game instance is just a normal blueprint, so we can do some code here. So in my example, I only have the coins to save, the player coins, right? But of course, if you have more information to save, you can do it the same way. So to save the coins, let's first create a variable to hold this information, right? So here in variables, let's create a new one. I will name this player coins like this. Let's set this to integer, of course, and now we need to create a way to communicate with the game instance to set this amount or to get the amount of coins, right? So let's do this. And to do this communication, I will use an interface. So let's go back to the folders, and here I will create a new interface in the interface folders. Let's right click, go to blueprint and blueprint interface. I will name this BPI game instance like this. Let's open this interface and we need to create 2 functions. Let's create the first one. This will be set player coins like this, and this needs 1 input. So let's add here the coins that we need to set. Of course, let's change this to integer, and let's create a new function, and this will be get player coins like this. And of course, this needs 1 output, the coins that the player has, right? So let's just add here coins, and this is integer, of course. Let's compile and save, and now let's implement this interface in the game instance. So let's go back to the game instance, and first we need to add the interface. So just go to class settings, and here in implemented interface, just add the new interface. So BPI game instance like this, and now we have the functions to implement. So let's double click on get player coins, and this is really simple. We just need to return the player coins variable. So just connect here in the return node like this. And now let's double click on the set player coins. And this again is really simple. We just need to set this variable. So just hold Alt on the keyboard and drag the variable in the graph like this to create a set node, and just connect the execution pin. And the new player coins, of course, is the coins input. Just connect here, and there we go. Now we just need to call this interface when we open the new level, right? Before opening the new level. So let's do this. Okay, so now we need to set the project to use the new game instance. To do this, just go to Edit, Project Settings, and here just go to maps and modes, and as you can see we have the game instance class. Here you just need to change to the new game instance, so in my case my game instance, and there you go. Now this project is using this game instance. Okay, so now that the project is using the game instance, let's save the data. So to do this, you just need to go where you're doing the logic to change levels, right? To open new levels. So for me, I'm doing this in the third person character. So here, as you can see, I have this logic here just to increment or decrement the coins, right? The amount of coins. And here, when I press 1, I'm opening the third person map level. And when I press 2, I'm opening the new map. So basically, before opening this, we need to save the coins, and the coins is just a variable inside the third person character. So let's save this. So to do this, let me just drag this node here. So basically first we need to get the game instance. So just right click and type get game instance. So here in the game category we have get game instance. Let's get this. And now we just need to use the interface. So just drag from the game instance here and type set player coins. So we have the interface function, right? Let's connect here when we press the key. Let's connect when we open the level to open the level, right? So now we need to pass the coins, and again it's just this variable here. So let's drag and connect here, and of course we need to do the same to open the new level here. So let's just copy this and paste down here, and let's connect the execution pins, and there we go. So basically before opening the new level we are saving the coins inside the game instance. Okay, so let's compile and save, and of course now we need to read this value when we start the game. So basically when this third person character is loaded in the map, so basically in the begin play we need to read the coins data from the game instance. So to do this, let's go to the begin play here. I'm going to the end of the begin play, and here we need to get the game instance again. So right click and type get game instance. Let's get this, and from this we can use the interface function to get the coins. So just type get player coins, and there you go. Here we have the interface function. Let's connect the execution pin, and now we have the coins here. We just need to set this variable with these coins. So let's connect here, as you can see, and in my case I need to update the HUD as well. So I will just copy this part here. This is just for the HUD, right? So let me just copy this and connect here just to update the HUD with the new coins value, and there you go. Let's compile and save, and this should be working. So let's test. So now if we hit play, this should be working. So let's test this. So let's add some coins here, maybe 7. So if I change the map now, as you can see, we still have 7 coins. So basically everything is working, even if we change maps. So basically now we can carry information from level to level using the game instance. And this is all for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something new. And if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't lose any new content. And as always, thank you for watching. Keep learning. I'll see you in the next video.